If you send and receive emails daily for your job, studies, or creative projects, having an appropriate app will definitely save you plenty of time. Spark Mail is popular because of such characteristics as a smart inbox, snooze mode, follow up reminder, AI writing, and collaboration abilities, whereas Apple Mail is famous for being a default application on Apple products and its easy to use interface. Thus, in this video, we will review the features, productivity helpers, convenience level, and the most suitable app for certain users. We will begin with Spark Mail. Spark Mail is a choice for those who desire more management opportunities and fewer distractions while working with emails. It provides you with a combined inbox for several mailboxes, sorting and filtering capabilities, reminders, the ability to postpone important tasks, mute threads, and other functions. Moreover, some media recently mentioned such Spark Mail features as writing and summarizing using AI, which may come in handy when creating many messages. One of Spark's key attributes includes being very organized. Spark does not make you sort everything yourself, but tries to display the most critical emails on top. Furthermore, Spark has several team related features such as shared drafts and other collaboration tools, making it useful for people working as part of teams via email. Spark was made specifically with people having difficult to manage inboxes in mind. Now let us consider Apple Mail. Apple Mail is an application used as a default one when dealing with emailing from Apple products. The greatest feature of Apple Mail is its simplicity. It fits in with all Apple devices effortlessly and is already there without requiring additional downloads. Apple Mail also includes essential features such as multi account capability, undo send, scheduling, reminders, search, spam filter, and hiding email address. However, in comparison to Spark, it lacks many advanced productivity features and collaboration capabilities. Nevertheless, for those users who require a simple email app that does not take them away from their work, Apple Mail seems an obvious choice. In terms of productivity, Spark is almost always preferable to Apple Mail. With its intelligent inbox, reminders, options to snooze messages, artificial intelligence, and other tools, it helps the user quickly process received emails without unnecessary thoughts on them. Spark becomes particularly helpful if the user has to process a large amount of messages each day or handle several accounts at once. While Apple Mail cannot match its competitor in terms of productivity, it has a different strength. The application does not provide too many features and focus instead on performance. As a result, it will be helpful to a person who wants everything done quickly, does not like additional options, and requires a convenient interface both on iPhone or iPad and Mac. If you're thinking about using either program in your everyday life, you'll need to consider how you conduct business. Spark will be an excellent choice if you prefer advanced inbox organization, AI assistance, and applications that minimize the stress of follow ups. The program will be very helpful to you if you're a freelancer, a content creator, a manager, or someone who receives a considerable amount of emails in their inbox. However, if you prefer to use only apps within the Apple ecosystem, Apple Mail will be the right choice since it's designed to perform all essential tasks without any problems. So, if you prefer a simpler experience of checking and managing emails, you can try Apple Mail. It will allow you to perform everyday actions much more effectively than Spark. In conclusion, Spark Mail is a great program for email management due to its many useful features. However, Apple Mail is better for casual users who don't require additional options for managing their inbox. In my perspective, you pick Spark if your inbox is hindering your productivity. Pick Apple Mail if what you desire is a straightforward application that does not get into your face too much. Whatever your choice is, the ideal mail application is one that makes you act quicker, stay organized, and waste no time.